Camera battery is flashing. Great start to this vlog. Oh, I did it wrong. Uh-oh. Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog, a random vlog today. It's Monday the 15th of March and I just finished lunch and a quick little hangout with the fam. I'm up here because I've actually got a pre-prod meeting at 3:30 for my hosting on Wednesday. I thought before that I would update my surrender planner and map out my week. I noticed that for the past 2 weeks I wasn't really updating my planner, and I'm not gonna lie, I felt so out of sort. I was grumpy and confused and stressed, and I really feel like I need to map things out just so I remember what's going on in the week. I also had my first real workout after not working out for an entire week, so I am filled with energy and I feel so much better, which just goes to show that workouts really do help me. Anyway, I picked up my camera because I wanted to try a little sewing hack later after my meeting. I saw this video on Instagram and then I found it on YouTube, and I've got a pair of jeans that I really want to try to alter myself. I just got them from Shopee, so they're not that expensive. And I found this really cool, simple way to do that. So I figured, you know what? Why don't we make a vlog out of it and see if I actually do well? So we're gonna try that. Camera battery is flashing. Great start to this vlog.
A few moments later.
Hello, I'm back. My meeting just finished and I thought I would carry on with this little DIY. I apologize for the sound of the fan, but it's summer and it's way too hot. I'm gonna die if I don't have it on. I got my mom's sewing kit. No, unfortunately, she doesn't use a Danish butter cookie tin. I know. What kind of mother is she? And I've also got the jeans that I want to alter, plus my laptop, because this is where I'm gonna be watching the video. I wanted to show you guys what the jeans look like. I got these off of Shopee and they're those really trendy, like crisscross jeans. I wore these when Nico and I went to Pinto Art Museum and they're really cute, super comfy. Highly recommend them. I'll leave them linked in the description box down below if you guys want to buy it. This is the size 24, which is the smallest size that they do, and unfortunately it's still too big for me. I'm gonna put it on for you guys so you can see what I mean. It looks fine now, but like after a while it actually loosens really, really bad. So there's like quite a bit of space, there's quite a bit of space. So I just want to cinch it just a little bit. And the hack that I saw cinches from the back, which I think is great because I really don't want to ruin this part, because this part is the cool part, like about that much, just to give me a little bit more cinching in the waist, you know, because that's actually a lot. I don't think this is an actual 24. Not exactly accurate in terms of sizing. I see you, Shopee. Wow, this battery is also flashing. Carla, you're just the best vlogger in the world. I'm going to rewatch the DIY video. I will also leave it linked in the description box down below for you guys because I'm not too sure I can show it in this video. I might get flagged or my video might get taken down for copyright. The video focuses on the back side, like this particular area of the jeans. Wish me luck, guys. I am not a good sewer at all. I'm already sweating just thinking about it. So here's where we're at. I've watched 2 separate videos and I realized that the kind of thread that I need isn't the thread that my mom has. So I rummaged through one of our old filing cabinets and look, I found the thick thread that the hack calls for. I think because they're jeans and they're gonna get washed and they're a thicker material, you do need a thicker kind of thread. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a blue one because according to the hack, it's best if you use one that's similar to the color of your jeans. But I like to live dangerously, so I found these random bundles that are probably like over 10 years old. I'm not even joking. Who remembers these from like grade school cross-stitch activities? I think I'm gonna use this one just because this looks like a nightmare to unravel. I'm going to need a huge needle, which mind you is already scaring the bejeebers out of me. I don't know about you guys, but sewing kits terrify me. I just feel like reaching in, I'm going to stab myself and bleed to death. All right, my mom has got this little container. She also has, oh my God, yes, mother. My mom's got fabric chalk. I didn't know she was this legit. I don't know what's in here. Oh, it's even more needles and stuff. See, that terrifies me. Sticking my hand into this just freaks the living crap out of me. I will need little scissors. We have a random needle just sticking. Mom, this is like a death trap. I'm genuinely sweating. I hate sewing. Sewing scares me. I'm gonna hurt myself. Okay, freaking scary. The hack calls for a big needle, so I'm guessing I'm gonna have to use this bad boy, which literally looks like it could stab me. Basically, what I'm gonna need to do, I'm going to be sewing from the top all the way down to this middle part in kind of like a triangle. I'm going to be sewing and the jeans are going to end up coming together in the middle. It's supposed to make it look less obvious. Based off of all of the videos, I'm supposed to fit this and then pin it myself, but we all know how afraid I am of needles and I am a risk taker, so I'm not going to do that. I already know I need to get rid of about this much, like maybe an inch of the pants, so I'm going to take my chalk and wing it. Life is all about winging things and taking risks, and I'm supposed to be stepping out of my comfort zone, so that's what we're gonna do. I should use a ruler. I'm not gonna sew too much. Oh my god, this chalk really works. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Is it even? Probably not. Now that I've got the triangle, which I can clearly see now is not, in fact, even. Good job, me. We're off to a great start. I unraveled it wrong. Oh dear. Get it in one go, Karla. Let's get it in one. Boom! Gonna not the end, because that's what the girl did. I'm gonna start nearest the belt loop. My hands are sweating. In here, right? So thick. Success. First one in. So now I just have to... Oh, I did it wrong. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Take two. Again, we're gonna put the giant scary needle through nearest the middle belt hook, and then you're supposed to sew it this way. I've never sewn anything like this in my life. Ugh, my hands are sweating. Like that. So that's the first stitch, and now I have to just continue on all the way down till I get to the middle. Genuinely sweating so much, and I know it's not even because it's hot, it's the genuine fear that I'm gonna stab myself. We are persevering and we are thriving. I did it, guys! I did one side and I didn't prick myself, but I am this sweaty. Now I gotta do the other side. I'm finding it hard to do the left side. Maybe it's because I'm not left-handed. Karla, what matters is you tried. I have managed to sew both sides, and now I am going to have to pull on these two, and...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Oh no, was I supposed to... I think these were supposed to go inside. It's okay, it's fine. I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. I'm supposed to pull on these and it's gonna... Shut up. Oh. It worked. Just pull. Okay, this one looks crappy. Shut up. Okay, it kind of worked. It looks really bad. These were supposed to go inside. Too bad.
Does it look bad?
The true test will be me fitting them. Oh my god, you guys. She fits. What? She a fashion designer. Do you see this? I mean, you guys saw them before, right? Okay, I'm gonna put them side by side. The back looks a little ratchet, not gonna lie, but I feel like I can get away with it because of the cross crotch situation. This hack worked. This I have to figure out though, because right now I have a tail. So basically I am the next Versace. My only problem is, in true Karla fashion, I did the hack wrong. So now I've got like all of these threads, which makes it look like I have a tail. I'm gonna take the giant scary needle again, thread it, and bring all of this back inside of the jeans. Now I get why they say you should get thread that matches the pants. Bring it to the other side. Hey. Now that I've got both threads Inside, I'm gonna individually knot them before I knot them together. Nobody come for me and be like, don't you know how to knot this with the sewing needle? No, I have limited skills. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna knot them together because that's gonna give me a false, you know, sense of security, kind of like what my ex did.
And
There. Yay! And there you guys have it! My little DIY with me moment. I know that my channel is getting more random by the week, but hopefully that's okay. I'm honestly very, very proud of myself, especially because I don't sew. This is a big deal for me. I will let you guys know how these jeans fare in the wash. Again, I will leave the DIY video in the description. Let me know if you're gonna try this DIY out, if you've done any DIY hacks during lockdown, because happy anniversary everybody. It's been a year, feels like 10. I'm probably going to never do this again. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found it entertaining in some way, shape, or form, and I'll see you again soon for another video. Bye!